first segment, let's recap what we have learned. Are you ready? Okay. So we first learned the Chamorro alphabet through a song. Do you remember what song? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Very good. Okay, so are you ready? Sing along with me while I sing the song. And let's go. Glota a o be te be e fe ge he I ke le me ne nye nye o pe re se te u ze. Now let's review the sounds of each letter. Okay, now glota emphasizes the sound of the letter that makes the sound of the letter louder. For example, aga without the glotta and aga with the glotta. Okay? Next, a, o. Be, b, te, t, de, d, e, fe, f, ge, g, he, h, I, ke, k, le, l, me, m, ne, n, and remember this is the tricky part, nye, ny, nge, ng. Okay, now here's a tip on saying the letter nye easily. It's just like when you close your nose and you make a sound. Yeah. You hear that? It's in your nasal. So that's how you say the sound. So nye, ng, o, pe, p, re, r. And remember to roll your tongue, okay? Because it's not r, it's r. So re, r, se, s, te, t, u, ze, z. Thank you for watching the first segment of Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. Stay tuned for the second segment because you will learn how to make two traditional Chamorro dishes, which are the chicken Kelaguen and the red rice. And those two together, wow, it's really good. Together, make chicken Kelaguen and red rice. See you soon. I am Jennie Magofna, your instructor for Let's Learn Chamorro, Ketungu Chamorro. Sizu Usma Asi.